Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how the YouTube algorithm works in 2024. If you want to grow fast, you need to change the way you use the platform. Let's jump right into it. Open the Chrome app on the actual incognito. I want you to open YouTube on incognito and I want you to scroll down with the fresh new YouTube page without having login in, without having anything that is previously searched. So without search queries, you can look what is currently recommended for you. And you probably wonder why this particular content is recommended to you. If you could look at simply over here, majority of the videos that we're seeing is essentially a news recap. So somebody is actually making a recap on the recent or previous news. This has been a trend through 2021, 2022, and 2023. But what I really want to pay attention to is that people are actually start using older news to make a recap on. If you look at over here, this particular video has been published 3 months ago, okay? And this video is going over the 9/11 attacks and so on and so forth. So people are actually more interested into having a detailed breakdown on previous news, things from the past rather than the new ones. Because when you create a recap on the new ones, you simply compete with these big news channels. You compete with as you can see over here, with Fox, with CNBC. You compete with Forbes breaking news, right? You don't want to compete with these guys. These guys have probably 3, 4, 6,000 different videos on the channels. These guys have viewers that are watching them on the cable, and these people are watching them here as well, so they have a guaranteed audience. Not to mention that they are the main big channels here on the platform relating to news. So this means that there is a high chance for YouTube to recommend their content over your content for the same exact type of news. So my advice for you will be to simply go over and start making a recaps, start making a reaction, or start making a commentary videos on old news. Because if you think none of these big news channels right now will be going after old news. You cannot imagine CNBC making a recap or news or commentary on news that happened 5 years, 10 years ago, right? None of these guys have time on air to lose or risk for the audience to make a recap on old news. While you can, while there could be a huge demand because it's already old news, there are not going to be so many recent views on the old news. Do you see where is the slim part? Where is the leverage that you can utilize? The demand is there, but the recent supply is not there. Not so many people thought about making recaps or making commentary videos on old news. So this is how you can actually start growing. Start making a recap videos or commentary videos or detailed explanations or documentaries if you have a budget for and time for on old news. This is how you can actually extract as much as value and simply touch the fastest pace of growing on YouTube in 2024. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more